Hello everyone! Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cord and also how to sew a zipper. So the first part of the video I will show you how to make a cord like this one. So if you have a project, if you want to make a pillow and you want to make a cord here, like a decorative cord, this video will show you how to do it. You will need obviously a fabric, a cord, and there's a special kind of presser foot that you will use for your sewing machine when you make a cord like this. So that would be on the first part of the video. The second part of the video, I will show you how to sew a zipper. So first thing you want to do is press this button here. Just press this one to release the foot. So if you want to sew on this side, you're going to put the foot on this side. If you want to sew on this side, you're going to put the foot on here, okay? Since I'm going to sew the cord on this side here, I'm going to put this on this side. So if I was going to sew on the other side, so I'm going to put the foot on this side here, put the needle here, okay? So yeah, when it clicks, that means it's really in. See? And you want to double check the needle if it goes through, see? Right there. Okay. Because the fabric curls, it's better that you pin the fabric. So here we go. I just finished showing you how to make a cord. So now what you're going to do, if you want to attach this cord to your pillow, all you have to do is sew around on this fabric on this side here. Okay? Stay tuned, because in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to sew a zipper. So the second part of the video is I'm going to show you how to attach a zipper. So this one here, I made a cushion cover for a sofa. And making a cover for your cushion is pretty straightforward, because a cushion generally is either square or rectangle. So you just have to follow. It's just so easy. But the hardest part of that project is attaching the zipper. So like in this case, I hid the zipper. I did not want the zipper to show. I mean, you can do that, but this one here, I did not want it to show. See right here, it can be covered. See, you can really show it, and then so when you open it, you just go like this, and see, it's really easy. Okay, so that's the second part of this video. So let's get started. There's two different ways to put the zipper. First, one way is if you want the zipper to show, you're going to get this fabric and fold it, and you want to sew close to the opening of the zipper right here. And then on the other side, so let's see, let's show you, put that on there. And then if you want to show that on the opposite side, you're going to fold it, and you would do the same thing, fold it this way, and you would stitch. I'll show you. You would stitch on this side here, so the the zipper would show. Okay, that's one way of doing the zipper. But the other way, if you don't want the zipper to show, you can actually cover it. So you're going to make a big fold over here, a big fold, and then cover it. So overlap fabric will cover the zipper. So you're going to do it that way, and that's how I wanted my zipper. I don't want my zipper to show. Okay, so first you want to pin the bottom of the zipper this way. Okay, so now, by the way, when you pin, you have to put an excess fabric there, because when you put the other side this way, you're going to sew this one here together. So put a little bit, like half an inch, and then pin it all the way, and then also at the end you want to leave a little space on there to allow it. Okay, so now we're going to our sewing machines. Okay, so this is a zipper foot. See, there's two ways to use it. You can use this side or this side. So if you're going to sew on this side, you're going to put the foot on here. If you're going to sew on this side, you're going to put the foot on here. Okay, so press this one to release the foot, so right there, and then you want to put this in. Sewing, see this fabric here, since I will be sewing on this side here, right here, I need to put the foot on this side here. Okay, that way it's not going to hit the zipper. So put that in there. And you have to check the needle. See, right now the needle is going to hit the center, so you have to move the needle this side. Okay, so since I will be sewing on this side of the zipper, I put the presser foot, attach the presser foot on this side here. I put the presser foot here and sew this side. So then you have to adjust the needle so that it would be in this notch here. So right there. So if you put needle down, it's going to go there in that little notch right there. To adjust the position of the needle is you go here. This is an SE4400, so you press this button here, and then you can go plus or minus. So if you press minus, it will move the needle on that side, see? But if you move press the positive, it will move the needle right side, right there. The problem is if you turn off the machine, the needle is going to default wherever it was. Usually it's in the left side or in the center. So if you want to save that setting, you can you just click memory, and you would okay to save the settings, then you click OK. So then when you turn it off, let's test it. We turn the machine off. See, right now that's the correct position. So if you turn the machine off and then you turn it back on, see, the needle stays where it is because you already saved the setting. Okay. So when you reach the end, you want to, the presser foot is going to hit the zipper, so you want to raise the presser foot, and I will try to open the zipper that way. See, open the zipper, and now it's easier to sew it. Okay. On the other side of the zipper, you get this fabric and you fold it this way, and you want to give it like an inch allowance, and then you align it this way. If you don't want to show the zipper, then you want to do it this way. If you want the zipper to show, then you move the fabric this way and sew this around here. But since I don't want to have the zippers shown, so I'm going to move the fabric here and sew this way around here. Okay, so it would look out like that. So now I will be sewing this side of the fabric. I will have to adjust. I will have to adjust the presser foot. Okay, so again, you would press this black, so I cannot sew this side because of the zipper is going to hit it, so I have to sew on this side. So then I have to move the presser foot. So here, press this here, and then move the presser foot right there, and wait for it to click. There. Okay, so now it's ready on this side. There. So just make sure you don't sew over the zipper. The zipper teeth. So you move it a little bit. So when you're almost reaching the end, okay, lift the presser foot and open and move this up there. So it's easier to sew. Now you can sew okay. So now you are just finished making the zipper, and so see here, it's actually covered now, and see all the way. And the good thing about this one is the zipper is covered. See, you can see the zipper. So the next thing you want to do is you can sew the end, okay? And that's how you make a zipper. So if you do your zipper this way, this is your starting point. And see, you know how the zipper head is not shown because of this one. You know, I extended the fabric over here. So when you unzip the zipper, it's right here. It's under this fabric. And then I sew this one here. So when you open it, it goes like that. And then you close it, and you can actually hide the zipper under. See, you can hide the zipper under there. Now on the other side, I did the same thing. The end of the zipper is hidden right there. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you learned something from my video, don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.